Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter L. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर L का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter L. लेटर L पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter L is L. Letter L की आवाज है L. Trace the letter with a pencil. अब आप letter L पर पेंसिल फेरें. Now we will read keywords from letter L. अब हम letter L से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. L, ladybug. L, lion. L, leaf. L, lemon. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. L letter, leaf, leaf, leaf. L letter, beef, beef, beef.
L letter, beef, beef, beef.
Now circle letter L in the given letters. इन letters में L के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. शाबाश. Connect lock to the key with the help of lines. Connect line to its cave with the help of lines. Connect lamp to the bulb with the help of lines. Bravo! Dear teachers, ask children to name L words. Introduce letter L with phonic song. Help children to develop a story with the given words and pictures. Teacher will write the story on the board and will read it out to the children. Help children to draw a leaf on a piece of paper and color it. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words leaf, lemon, lamp, ladybug, light, line, land, and lamp. Ask children what other things start with letter L.